Hello guys, welcome back. In this Mongo and PHP video tutorial, we will learn how we can use the Mongo with the PHP in the Ubuntu system. And here I am supposing that you already installed the PHP and the Mongo in the system. Alright, and if you don't install, the link is given in the description box. Alright, in this video we are specifically focusing that how we can use the Mongo library, we can say that, or the extension with the PHP, so that you can connect the mongodb with the PHP and you can do with the database that whatever you want. Alright, so first of all, what I am doing, that I already made a file with the local host, that you can check that the mongo with the test.php. Alright, so with this file you can check that the library is installed or not. Alright, so after the installing this, we will check that is mongo installed or not. Alright, so first of all, just open the command prompt. I'm just closing it, and here we just have to write some commands like sudo and pecl. Alright, install mongodb. Alright, just hit the enter. It will ask you the password, and then it will telling that the mongodb is already installed, because I just installed it before this. Alright, because here you can see that it's already installed. Alright, and after this, then you after installing this, you don't need to do anything else. Just write here sudo bash, and we will go into the bash command. Okay, after the hash, guys, don't worry about all these commands. All commands are present inside the description box. Okay, so after the just typing the sudo echo extension with the mongodb, what it will do, it will place your mongo library extension inside the php ini file. Alright, and it will do automatically. You don't need to do anything. Alright, so after that, you can exit if you want, and just simply that restart your Apache. Okay, so I'm just going to write here Apache service and whatever, Apache 2 and restart. Okay, it's already restart. Then now just try to run this one. Okay, so where it is placed inside the HTML folder, you can see that the mongo and the test. So we can just use it localhost /mongo and the test file. Alright, just hit the enter, and just write here mongo. Then you will see that the mongodb is installed here with everything. So you can check that the versions, extensions, stability, SSL, cryptography, all these things. So it will tell that the mongo is installed. Then now just write here php mongo. Then you can directly use these commands. There is a mongodb book here, so you can easily use your PHP with the mongo with this. The code is also placed here, so now you can just go to the tutorial and make a connection. Then it will showing all these things. Alright, so it's a pretty easy. All links are given in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and if you have any kind of issue or confusion, you can ask me in the comment box. Thanks guys, thanks for watching this.